If you plan to do like a video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram and you want to do the type that I'm doing now, which is the talking head, yung ulo lang lumalabas, ganito, no? And you don't know what platform to try. I'm sure narinig niyo na yung mga iba't ibang platforms na pwedeng gawin. May nag-suggest ka na OBS and stuff, no? Kung gusto niya na simple lang at madaling gamitin, may bayad nga lang siya pero super worth it siyang gamitin. And I've been using it intensively now. Ito po ang gamitin niya. It's called Tela. So I think I discussed this as an app review before in the YouTube channel. But kung curious pa kayo or wondering what you can use for yourself, I would really recommend using Tela. It's a bit pricey on me. Mainly yung subscription siya, it's $25 a month. But super worth it kasi yung platform niya, I'll demo to you the platform. May free naman siya, no? So if you want to access it for free, pwede naman siyang for free. May trial period siya na 14 days, no? Kung gusto niyo siya i-check out, maganda sa kanya kasi you can create like, when you upload a video, it creates playlists, you can create playlists. And you can do this auto cut, no? For example, I did like a promotion. Gawa tayo, like, I can do a quick show you of how it works and function niya, no? So currently, nag-record siya ng ganito. But since I recorded it in portrait mode, you can select a portrait mode and you can select even how your layout would look like. So kung layout ko gusto ganyan or ganyan, since I already have a YouTube short format, so magiging ganyan siya, no? Ang maganda sa kanya is the functions na meron siya. Like, you can do cuts, meaning tatanggalin niya agad yung mga silences, yung mga filler words. So kung madami akong filler words, automatically siya yung auto-edit niyan. You can change the background kung gusto mo change yung background. You can change the border. You can change the subtitle. One of my favorite features is the audio. So pwede mo siyang gawing studio quality na audio. Like, I didn't use my professional mic. So ginamit ko lang yung, kasi 1 minute to 2 minutes lang yung mga videos ito. Ginamit ko lang yung current one. So gagawin niya, generate niya yung, ipapalitan niya yung audio mo, gagawin niya yung studio quality. And then the other thing that I like, you can download the video and you can download the SRT file. No? So what is the SRT file? The transcript, which is very helpful kung kayo ay gumagawa ng descriptions or titles para sa videos nyo, which you can give to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. No? So super maganda siya kasi nga it can generate those things easily. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-download ng or auto-transcribe ng transcript. Meron na rin po siya dito. So yun lang, no? So that's a snapshot of why I recommend using Tel.